Hello everyone. Let's start with a simple question. What makes a great company truly great? It is not just its products or profits. It is its people. But what if the way we hire people itself isn't fair or inclusive? Many organizations still unknowingly build recruitment systems that favor certain groups, leaving out talented individuals who could bring innovation, perspective, and growth. That is where ISO 30415 Diversity and Inclusion steps in. It gives a structured, globally recognized approach to make your recruitment system inclusive, unbiased, and equitable. In today's episode, we will explore how to build inclusive recruitment systems the ISO 30415 way, where hiring isn't just a process but a promise of fairness and opportunity. Now, understanding ISO 30415 in recruitment. Before we dive into hiring, let's first understand what ISO 30415 stands for. It is an international standard for human resource diversity and inclusion management. It guides organizations on how to embed D&I principles into every aspect of people management, from hiring and onboarding to leadership and growth. When applied to recruitment, ISO 30415 ensures your process promotes equal opportunity, reduces bias, and builds a workforce that reflects your organization's value and the community you serve. Now, steps to build an inclusive recruitment system. Step 1. Defining diversity objectives. The first step is setting clear diversity goals. Ask yourself, what does diversity mean for our organization? Which underrepresented groups are missing in our current workforce? How can we measure inclusion progress over time? ISO 30415 encourages organizations to define measurable objectives such as gender balance, disability inclusion, age diversity, or regional representation, and align them with the organization's mission and values. Now, step 2. Reviewing job descriptions. Next comes the foundation, the job description. Many times, unintentional bias starts right here. For example, phrases like young and energetic may discourage older applicants, while native English speaker can exclude equally competent multilingual candidates. Under ISO 30415, organizations are guided to use inclusive language that focuses on skills and outcomes, not demographics. This helps widen the talent pool and ensures everyone feels welcome to apply. Now, step 3. Training recruiters on unconscious bias. Even the best HR professionals can have unconscious biases, and that is human. The goal isn't to eliminate them completely, but to recognize and manage them. Organizations should train hiring teams to identify hidden bias in interviews, resume screening, and decision-making. ISO 30415 recommends creating structured interview formats and using diverse panels to ensure objectivity and fairness. Step 4. Making the application process accessible. Accessibility is a key component of inclusion. Is your online job portal easy to use for persons with disabilities? Can candidates apply through mobile devices? ISO 30415 emphasizes that organizations must ensure equal access through accessible web designs, alternative submission formats, and accommodations during interviews, like sign language interpreters or flexible scheduling. Now, step 5. Structured and fair interview process. Bias often sneaks into unstructured interviews, where gut feeling dominates over facts. That's why ISO 30415 promotes structured interviews based on predefined criteria linked to job requirements. This means all candidates are asked the same core questions, scored objectively, and evaluated fairly. Including diverse interviewers further helps avoid favoritism or bias in selection decisions. Step 6. Tracking and evaluating recruitment data. What gets measured gets improved. ISO 30415 suggests tracking key metrics such as ratio of diverse applicants to hires, representation by gender, age, ethnicity, or disability, candidate feedback on fairness and inclusion. By analyzing this data, organizations can identify gaps and continuously improve their hiring strategy. Transparency in reporting these outcomes also builds trust among employees and applicants. Now, step 7, building a culture of belonging. Finally, remember this: recruitment is not just about hiring, it is about belonging. An inclusive recruitment system works best when it connects with an inclusive workplace culture. New hires should feel safe, respected, and valued from day one. ISO 30415 encourages onboarding programs that introduce diversity values early, mentorship opportunities for diverse talent, and open feedback systems that keep inclusion alive beyond hiring. Now, hiring the future, not the familiar. Inclusive recruitment is the future of talent strategy. When you build a hiring process that welcomes differences, you don't just fill positions. You build innovation, empathy, and growth into your company's DNA. So if you are ready to transform your HR systems, start with ISO 30415. It is not just a standard, it is a framework to hire better, lead better, and grow stronger. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.